Few Pi tokens have been released into circulation from the Pi blockchain analysis on mainnet, and if you come to the price action, market is dumping all the way to the downside, which is not favorable for investors and traders. Let's talk about this very price dump going on right now in detail in this very video. And as you know, Bitcoin price analysis, which is very important for all crypto, all of this in this very video. Pay attention and watch the video along. The most important thing right now is if you come to the Pi mainnet and if you look at the currently locked mining reward, you discover that it keeps increasing. So there is more locked token than unlocked token right now. And if you look at it here, you discover that the unlocked token is reducing. As a matter of fact, there is a little increase in the circulating supply right here. That means just a little token have been released from this very unlocked token into circulation. That is why we see the migrated mining reward right here, which is equal to the circulating supply as usual. The same thing if you come to the coin market cap and you look at Pi right now, the market is dumping all the way to the downside with this very circulating supply, which is the same with what we have right here on the blockchain. This is very important. But despite this, that the Pi team is locking more mine token, the price keep going all the way to the downside. And of course, you can make an argument and say, price of every other crypto is coming back down. But you notice that last week we see a significant increase in the price of most crypto, but that of Pi was very different because price have been coming all the way to the downside. And look at it here. What is happening right here is very, very different. And that is why you need to pay attention to this video right now. There are important points of interest on this very price action that you need to pay attention to if you are not doing that. The first thing here is this very area where we see this very bearish drop. In trading, we are looking for area of interest, and the first point here is this very area right here, which is this very point of order block. This is an order block. Why? Because after this very bullish candle there was a bearish drop which is still ongoing, so it means that we should pay attention to this. Remember, I told you about this very retracement, and the market is going to continue downward with a possible creation of a new low below this very area, and that's what we're seeing right here right now. So therefore, market is going to come down. Another point of interest is this very area where we see this very gap in the market. We have a very important gap from this very point right here to this very area. So how will you trade this kind of pattern or this kind of gaps in the market? Is very important. Pay attention. From here, still expect the market to come down a little bit. I am expecting that from this very point where the market is right now of 0.683, this very point where the market is, market should come down a little bit to this very area of 0.63. Within this very area we should see a retracement. Why? Because market has moved significantly downward and it's not going to move like this all the way downward. The possibility is there, but that is not what I am looking at right now. So what you should pay attention to, since the market has dropped from this very area of little consolidation, expect the market to retrace from this very point. And where will the market react to, which is very important. That is why we draw this very point and this very area. Market is going to come back up in form of a retracement from this very area right here upward before continuation. So market is still going to continue downward. Expect the market to continue. So this bearish move or this bearish trend in the markets will not go off anytime soon on Pi. I don't see that coming anytime soon. What that means is if you want to buy more, let's say for example you bought at this very point for long-term holding at this very area and you were dollar cost averaging your position, right now is not the right time to buy. Why? Because we need to see the market break out on key levels, so that if you buy, let's say around this very area after a breakout, you'll be very sure that market is going to move upward, so that if market come to this very point where you bought in the past, you should be in profits. That is the benefit of dollar cost averaging your position. And when you dollar cost average and market dump, a lot of mistake that traders make is they talk about dollar cost averaging in the sense that, let's say for example, they bought around this very point and the market dump back down, they buy again. As market is dumping to this very point, they buy again. You don't do that. What you do is, when market break key structure and you're very sure that market is going to move upward, remember key structure. For example, in this very case, market come back down and break here, then I am very sure that market is going to move upward, so that if I take a position from this very point right here, market should move up to my initial price that I bought the first one, which will make me be a profit. That is the benefit of dollar cost averaging. And I benefit from this very technique a lot in the market, and other traders that know how to trade this very strategy benefit from it also. So this is what you should do right now. So on the immediate short term on Pi, don't expect any aggressive move all the way to the upside. The 1-day chart, remember in my last video I told you guys that market have a possibility of coming all the way to the downside and grab liquidity from this very point of important order block. We see an order block right at this very point, this very place right here, and that is where the market is right now. So the market should come back down and grab liquidity from this very point, because there is a liquidity at this very area, and that is where the market is moving to right now as expected. So market is going to come back down on the 1-day chart, grab liquidity from here before we can see any form of bullish movement all the way upward. And this is super important if you want to be in the right direction of the market on the pie chart. The Bitcoin price action, look at it, market is coming back down, okay, responding to the tariff that we're going to see next tomorrow, which is Wednesday, which is also very important for all of us in this very market. What you should be expecting right now on Bitcoin is a retracement. This is super important. This is what I mean by that. If you draw out this very point where we see this very bullish expansion to the upside, this was the last bearish candle coming back down on this very important retracement, then bullish expansion. Market is approaching this level. So what I am expecting on this very chart is for the market to drop a little bit into this very point. So expect a little movement into this very area and then retracement, which is super important on the chart right now. This is what you should pay attention to. So either market move downward, grab liquidity a little bit, that is go down a little bit and then retrace, or market can just enter into this very area and retrace without collecting liquidity from this very area. In any case, please pay attention to retracement. Market is going to retrace and is still going to continue downward. So what I mean is, despite the fact that market is going to, retrace back up, that does not mean we are going to see significant move all the way to the upside. Market is going to come back down and then retrace a little bit and then come back down again. That is what I mean by that. And pay attention to this because it's very, very important to your trading. BTC USDT 1-day chart. If you look at this very price action, something very unique is that market has been creating new lows. Look at it. Market creates a low right here, a low right here. And right now, market is coming back down. The tariff is next tomorrow, and market have been reacting to this tariff since last week. What that means is market is going to continue all the way to the downside. I'm expecting the market to drop, but like I said earlier, I'm not expecting an aggressive dump in the market because we already know what is going to come. Okay, tariff is going to definitely come, which is going to impact on the market, and market is already reacting to the tariff already, which means market should come back down. Okay, a possible creation of a new low. That is what I'm expecting. Lower than this because we are in a downtrend. Market should come back down, create a new low before any retracement upward. And we can see a situation where markets go below this very area that we see in the past. That is this very price level of $76,000 for Bitcoin. Market have possibility of coming below this very level. This is a high possibility right now for every one of us that is trading BTC or that is looking at this very market. Market coming back down before retracement is important on the 1-day chart. Another thing that is very important right here that all of us need to pay attention to is when we see the tariff come in on Wednesday and we see the numbers, whether they are big or small. And after the tariff on Wednesday, and then Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, we see an aggressive pump in the market. That means after the tariff and the market pump aggressively upward, just know that the market have finished reacting to the tariff, and there will be a significant move in the market. When I mean significant move, I mean a significant move really in the market. And this is super important because the tariff that is coming in on Wednesday is a reciprocal tariff, which they are in different numbers. That is 25%, some will be 50, 100 and 200% as the case may be. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not subscribed, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description of this very video, and also in the pinned comment for more crypto news, updates, on-chain data, and technical analysis. Thanks for watching.